Good morning, students. I, Asad welcome you to study from home. Today, I am going to explain you chapter number 2, Globe, Latitudes and Longitude, Class 6 Geography. Students, in the previous classes, I explained you about globe, longitude, latitude and equator. Today, I am going to explain you about the heat zones of Earth. Now we have heat zones. Those are torrid zone receives the maximum heat. Temperate zone has a moderate temperature, means neither too cool nor too hot. The freeze zone has a cool climate as the sun rays are always slanting, right? Student, in this picture you can see this zone, 3 zone, right? At the very top of this picture you can observe freeze zone, as well as freeze zone is located at very bottom, right? At very top Arctic Circle and at very bottom Antarctic Circle. In between you can see temperate zone and torrid zone. Now I am going to explain you each of them with detail. Beside the equator, the North Pole 90 and South Pole 90s. There are 4 other important parallels of latitude. They are Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle, right? Tropic of Cancer is an imaginary line that crosses 23.5 in a northern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer is an imaginary line that crosses at 23.5 in a southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle, it is a circle at 66.5 north of equator, and Antarctic Circle, it is a circle at 66.5 south of equator. Again, I would like to show you this picture, right? Observe this picture carefully, right? Let's discuss this 3 zone in detail. First zone is torrid zone. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This is area therefore receive the maximum heat. Student, you can see torrid zone in a orange color, right? So according to this picture, according to this image, torrid zone receive maximum heat as well as maximum rainfall. Our second zone, temperate zone. The midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The angle of the sun's rays goes on a decreasing toward the poles. As such, the areas bounded by the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the North Hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the Southern Hemisphere have a moderate temperature. So student, in short, temperate zone is neither too cool nor too hot. Temperature is moderate. Okay, in this picture you can see temperate zone as a green colored, right? Temperate zone marked as a green color in this picture. Our third zone, freeze zone, means Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. These 2 zones are known as a North Pole and South Pole. Area lying between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and Antarctic Circle and the South Pole is the southern hemisphere are very cold. It is because here sun does not rise much above the horizon. Therefore its rays are always slanting. These two poles, as I told you, known as a North Pole as well as South Pole. Here sun rises very less. For your information, students, this two pole faces 6 months of day and 6 months of night. Now let's discuss difference between north and south latitude. What is difference? So here I would like to give you an example of Chandrapur in Maharashtra, India, and Belo Horizonte in Brazil, South America, are located on parallel of about 20 latitude, but the difference between both location is their position in the north and south latitudes respectively. Chandrapur in India is situated at 20 north of the equator, while Belo in Brazil 20 south of equator. Therefore, we indicate that Chandrapur is 20 north latitude and Belo horizontal at 20 south latitude, right? So this is difference between north and south latitude. Student, this is all for today. In the next class, I'll explain you more about this chapter. Okay? Have a nice day and thank you.